What's up YouTube? 2020 Chevy 3500 diesel. I'm going to show you how to change this fuel filter today. It's pretty easy to do. It's under the car. It's near the rear tank area right there, right above the differential. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so you can make videos like this, like make your life easier. Let's get started. Now you're going to need a 36 millimeter, or in standard I think it's a 1 in, I don't know, it's a 1 in something, 1 in 7/16 maybe. But I use mostly metric tools in this day and age, so you should too if you're working on a lot of newer stuff. Actually, I'm sorry. Just gotta be careful you don't break it. She's on there. That seal is dry, y'all. Notice how big of a breaker bar I'm using. Here she comes. Make sure you have a catch band too. Alright. That's a little bit of a workout. Make sure you got gloves on too. Alright. Dump it all out. Sometimes these things are being there pretty tight. That one came out, so match it up. Looks the same to me. Slide that bad boy over there. Pull your old O-ring off.
You hearing the radio?
Nuh-uh.
Sounds like it's slowing down. Like.
Oh yeah, I do hear it now that you say that. I didn't notice until you said that. Weird. Ain't no weirder than all the other stuff going on right now.
We're back to playing records again?
Yeah, right? It does sound slow. I didn't notice until you said something. Stretch your fuel ring over and lube it up real good. Alright. Turn it as much as you can by hand. Just when it stops, give it another little snug. And let me crawl out from underneath here and lower this bad boy down. Whew. Feels real good on the knees. And I'm going to show you how to reset this message too. It will change the fuel filter message. Roll up this window so you don't hear all that noise. Just cycle the key on and off a few times to get that thing filled up. Prime it. Just like that. Alright, now I'm going to turn this button, push in on it, push in on it again. Let's see, scroll down to You turn it by scrolling down to the fuel filter, push in and hold it, scroll up to the left, push in again. Are you sure you want to reset? Yes. Hold on. Let me see the oil light too, because this is the first one I've done on this year model. So let's go to, because I changed the oil as well too. Okay. All right. So I guess the 0% is, it doesn't say 100% on the fuel filter. It'll just go to 0, I guess. Let's press in on the check mark, scroll up again. So yeah, I guess it just counts from 0 to 100% instead of being the other way around. So whatever, I'm not going to sit here and try to figure that out all day long. The fuel filter's changed, we're good to go. Anyways, if y'all haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, check like. Y'all have a good day. Peace out. So I wanted to show y'all on this because I was trying to figure out why it kept saying 0%. So when you start the car up and turn the key off, now it says 100%, which is stupid. I don't know why the oil change would sit there and say 100% when I reset it, but the fuel filter don't say 100% until you cycle the key off and back on. It's retarded. But I just wanted to show y'all that. Anyways, again, y'all have a good day. Peace out.